Accompanied by senior government officials and ministers, President Dmar Barrow on Wednesday, 30th April 2025, visited the construction site of the National Lab for Food and Drugs in Barrow Phase 1. This landmark facility, the first of its kind in the country, represents a multi-million-dollar investment aimed at securing the safety and quality of food and pharmaceuticals entering the country. Once operational, the center will play a vital role in safeguarding public health by providing local testing services, thereby reducing dependence on external laboratories and enhancing regulatory oversight. Following his visit to the center, the President proceeded to the Gambia Maritime Agency headquarters in Kololi, which is also under construction. Established by an Act of Parliament in 2006, the Gambia Maritime Administration is tasked with regulating the maritime industry, ensuring safety at sea and protecting the marine environment. The new headquarters, once completed, is expected to significantly improve their operational efficiency and provide a conducive working environment. Mr. Ibrahim is the communications manager at the Gambia Maritime Agency.
This is, I think, a milestone project for the Gambia Maritime Administration, considering that we have just been established by law in 2006 and started operation in 2009. We've been renting from one place to another. Initially we were in Banjul and now we are in Bijilo. But all the same, we want to say that this is a milestone for us, and it's a big project for the Maritime Administration as well as for the Gambia.
President Barrow's tour also included a stop at the Egyptian hospital in Kanifing, where he expressed satisfaction with the standardized facilities designed to enhance health tourism for Gambians seeking medical care abroad, as well as attract foreign patients.
After a conducted tour of the hospital, the Egyptian hospital, the facility is a first-class one, and they needed the support of my team because they still need specialized doctors to come and work with them. And I think we will take up that matter to make sure that is fast-track so that they will give services to the Gambian people. Because while we are encouraging them, we want Gambians to be treated in this country. We want to address the issue of health tourism, going outside, spending money, spending forex, that is foreign currency.
After touring project sites in the West Coast region and the Kanifing municipality, the convoy proceeded to Banjul, the capital city, beginning with a visit to the Dmar Ferry project site. This private investment is already underway, aiming to provide a private ferry service in the country. Once active, officials say the ferry will operate 24/7 and will be capable of carrying over 90 small vehicles, making ferry crossings easier for commuters.
Well, we wanted to go and see what they are doing. After consulting with them, they said by October, latest, or November, they would have started their services. But they will do a test run by end of July, so they are really progressing.
The day visit concluded at the Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital construction project, where the President was shown various improvements, including modern medical facilities, new X-ray equipment, and oxygen plants for dialysis patients. These upgrades aim to provide quality healthcare for all Gambians and residents of the Gambia. Dr. Mustafa Bitai is the Chief Medical Director at the Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital.
Polyclinic, do you see how it used to be? Now it's so nice, everybody sits under AC or fan, very cool. So it's very, very conducive. And now not only that, but functionally, we make sure labs are there now and many other functions. Then you come to the main hospital, if you enter, you see how cozy it is. When you just enter, you start feeling better because you see the water running and all. That helps the patient. Then now you come to the equipment, you see the new X-ray, you see oxygen plants, you see the wards, all of them are cozy, ACs, everything. So, and we are trying to get the drugs and everything available, the machines, diagnosis. So this is where we are very happy, and work is still ongoing. It's work in progress.
After the tour, President Barrow spoke with reporters expressing his satisfaction with the progress of these projects and their potential positive impact on the lives of Gambians once completed.
The hospital was dilapidated, looking at it. It was completely broken, and government is spending a lot of money to upgrade the hospital. And also we have some private people who are also partnering with us, to renovate the hospital, to bring it to standard. But the areas that are already renovated are very, very comfortable, and the standard is very, very high. And I think the environment also is conducive for the doctors and for the patient. So overall, we are just going to see what is happening. We are impressed with what we have seen, but there are still challenges going forward.
The impact of these projects, once completed, is expected to be significant and multifaceted, as they have the potential to transform various sectors in the Gambia, leading to a brighter and more sustainable future for its citizens. Mariam Adem, reporting for Saturday News.